Okay, so okay, so hi everybody, I'm Jolene from King George's Music Academy. For today's video, we are going to be started on the kick! But then first, right, we need to learn how to read sheet music. Why do we need to learn how to read sheet music? A lot of people will be asking, right, but I don't need to learn how to read the music to play the music. And you are correct. But let me give you an analogy. For some of us, we are able to speak the language, but not all of us are able to read the language. So by learning how to read sheet music, it's kind of like learning a language. You're learning how to read it and you have a better understanding of it. And from there, you can self-teach yourself and improve yourself in better ways. So another reason, right, why it's good to learn how to read sheet music is also because, for example, you aspire to be a gigging musician. And then, right, you have like 10 songs that you need to know every night. So you can't always rely on your memory to churn out all the 10 songs. So it would be good to have sheet music to guide you along and to, help you do the memorizing work. Okay, so now on to how we actually read this thing. Alright, so on the screen right now, right, somewhere, so we have right here the kick, the snare, and then the hi-hat. So for today, we'll just focus on these three things because it's kind of like the basics and the three most notes that you will see on a sheet music. So on the screen now, right, you will see one note on the bottom, and that will be your kick. So on the center, right, at the very center of it, right, will be your snare. And then on the top, you will see one crossed X thing, that will be your hi-hat. How do you get better at this? So right, there's actually two ways that you can kind of read through the sheet music. So the first way is by codependence, which means from right to left. So, what this thing, I don't know. So basically, right, what you do is that you will see the pattern 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then you will see it as 1 N, 2 N, 3 N, 4 N, and you will play it without a metronome, without a tempo, just by getting used to it and the feeling of it. So another way that you can do it is independence, which is my favorite way of doing it. So how we will see it is from top down. So how we will do it is, if we see it from the top, we see the hi-hats first, then we will play the hi-hats only first. Then slowly we will add in the snare, and then lastly we add in the kick also. And that's how you get the thing. So whether you're doing codependence or independence, at the end of the day, you still have to practice with a metronome. Yeah, so basically, right, when you use a metronome, right, it is what will help you get better at it and to be more exact with it. So basically, you can start at a very slow tempo from like 40 BPM, 50 BPM, and then you work your way up to however fast you can go to. Yeah, so that's it for today's lesson, and we will see you again next time.